Hi friends, today let's see the basics of Blender. This is the platform where we are going to work. To move the platform, to rotate it, click the middle mouse and just move the cursor. You will rotate the views. For pan mode, click shift and press the middle mouse. So you can move the platform in a 2D manner. To zoom, press Ctrl and middle mouse. Move the cursor, it will get zoomed. Also, you have default options here for zoom. Press and move the cursor, it will zoom. Press and move, it will do the pan. These are the coordinates x, y, and z. See now y, x, and z. You can use these coordinates to rotate the views. Okay, and this is the object we have here is a cube. This is a camera. So to view the camera, click 0 so that you can view the object in camera mode. To come out of the camera, click again 0 or just click the middle button and move the cursor. This is a light for the scene. To view the light, go to bulb. You can see the bulb options. Here, these are the coordinates. See, it is invisible when you off it. Now, click on this. This is the overall platform views. It gets invisible. And here you have wireframe. See, the object becomes wireframe. It's a solid view and it's texture view. You can, if you add color, you can see this here. And this is the render view. This will be the output of the complete scene. Just keep in render itself. Here, there are the options for. This is the origin, so you can place the origin anywhere in the platform where you want. This is the move. To get the origin to the same center, just click Shift S, cursor to world origin. So see here, it comes to the world origin itself. Now to move the object, just click here. Okay, to move it by clicking any of the axis. Okay, now to rotate it, see, you can rotate with the help of these options. To reduce or increase the size, the scaling option is very much helpful. This has a complete setup of both, all the three, which is location, rotation, scaling. Now let's delete. Now I will say you how to bring that object back. Click Shift A. You can see add-ons here, adds here. In mesh, you can see several options. In that, there is cube, there is curves, surface, metabol, text, etc., etc., etc. We'll go on later. Just bring the cube back to the scene. Okay. The cube has several modes like object mode, edit mode, sculpt mode, and these are the painting options. To edit this cube, let's go for modeling, which is edit mode. Now, I'll just simply say what can we do in edit mode. We can transform our cube in whatever modes we want or whatever shapes we want. We can rotate it. We can design and model how we need. Okay. Now let's bring back to the normal position by clicking Ctrl Z. Now to undo this, we can click Ctrl Z. To redo this, we have to click Ctrl Shift Z so that everything will be redo. Okay. Now Sculpt mode. Sculpt mode helps to create surface texture, shapes like this. I hope this will work in characters. So we'll see this later. This is UV editing, which gives texture to the selected object. This is the object's unwrapped map. This is texture paint to paint it. Shaders, which gives a realistic effect to the object and the environment. This is the platform where we are going to do animations. This is dope sheet. Also, you have several options here, which helps in editing. This is rendering, compositing, scripting. These are we'll see later. But the layout is the basic platform to use. Okay. Also, there are several windows we can parallelly open here. See here. Now I'm going to minimize this. So now the window is gone. I need this window. So by clicking it, I can open it. See, we can open anything here, whatever we need. Also, if you want to open it sideways, you can open by clicking here. I couldn't get it. Yeah, right here. I couldn't make it. Okay, let's leave it. I can get this here. By clicking here, you can split the screens into multiple amounts. And to close this, just do this. So, left click on this and move the cursor to the left. So everything will be closed. This is the scene collections. See, if you select here, the light is selected, the camera is selected here. This is scene collection, and this is the platform where we can do and add properties. This is the camera. See here, this is the camera. This is the light. When we click object, several things will come. Main thing we have to focus here is this render engine. There are many types of engines. I have 4. We can use EV for all purposes because it's quick and fast. Cycles will take some time to render. If your system supports, you can go on with cycle. There are several things here, and this is the platform where we can export our contents from this platform. Just select the path and click accept. This is PNG. There are several formats we can export here. This is black and white and this is color. Give color depth and compression to 50%. This is the data when the properties of the file will be. And there are several things. This is the environment world, which we can vary the colors. See, right? Okay. Now this is another parameters. This is modifier. Several modifiers here. We can give this to the cube. This is properties. This is a physical contents for fluid and flame animations, etc. These are object constraints. These are appearance. So we can give color to the cube, like I will be giving a red color. In camera mode, you can see here. If you turn off, you can see. Okay. Also, if you click N, this will open. This will give more accurate movements for you. We can give values to this for everything. Okay. If you again click N, it will go files, edit, render, image, render animation. We have here. Just if you want to render image, click here. If you want to render animation, click here. Okay. This is views. If your camera, you have multiple cameras like this. One more thing. If you want this camera to be duplicated, you can click Shift D to duplicate this. If you want to move this camera on the same axis, just click middle button, mouse button, so it will move on the same axis. Okay. Now, if you click 0, the camera mode will be viewed. But you want to view in this camera, so what you have to do is click View, go to Cameras, and set Active Object as Camera. Now, see, this camera is being active. So this is how to activate your cameras. Okay. Other than that, you have several options here, which you will see later. This is add and this is objects. You will see this later. I hope, guys, you have learned the basics. This is all the basics what you need to learn in Blender. Thank you. We'll see you in next tutorials. Until then, it's RK signing off. See you.
Hi friends, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye bye.